Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change the timing belt on a Mitsubishi Galant. First, understand that the timing belt is a critical engine component, synchronizing the crankshaft and camshaft rotations. Its failure can cause severe engine damage, so timely replacement is essential for your vehicle's longevity. This process typically involves about 4 to 6 hours of work, requiring careful attention to detail and specific tools. We will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful replacement. Before starting, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, you will need to drain the engine coolant and remove all accessory drive belts, such as the power steering and alternator belts. These steps provide crucial access to the timing belt area. Carefully remove the upper and lower timing belt covers, which are typically held in place by several bolts. Ensure you keep track of all fasteners for reassembly later in the process. Now, rotate the crankshaft until all timing marks on the camshafts and crankshaft are perfectly aligned. This is a critical step to ensure correct engine timing. Loosen the timing belt tensioner pulley and carefully remove the old belt. Install the new timing belt, making sure the marks stay aligned throughout the process. Finally, install the new tensioner pulley and tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 30 to 40 foot-pounds. Then rotate the engine 2 full revolutions to confirm alignment. With the new timing belt in place, begin reassembling all the components you removed. This includes the timing belt covers, accessory pulleys, and drive belts. Once everything is securely reinstalled, refill the engine with the appropriate coolant. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and start the engine. Listen carefully for any unusual noises and check for any leaks around the coolant system. Allow the engine to reach operating temperature, then perform a final visual inspection to ensure a successful timing belt replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.